Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. So yesterday we ended up with a pretty solid bullish pin bar, but the one thing that does concern me though is that this tight trend line here broke to the downside, and you can see if you take it on the daily, it was quite a strong trend line. So we had 2 days below it, with a little bit of indecision in both days. So the first day the sellers were trying to take control, and then the buyers took control again. So if we just let's check the 3 hour, I don't think there was anything there that we need to be worried about. Okay, so the only thing that we have on the 3 hour is that we have kind of broken through the alligator and we're coming up to test, but the alligator hasn't quite crossed over, so nothing really to read into that. The hour, we did break below, we've tested, but now we've come back into the alligator. This does worry me. Okay, let's look at the diversions here. So you can see that's high, lower high, that's high, higher high. So there is diversions, and we haven't crossed the zero yet. So for me, there are 2 fractal levels here. There's the first one, and I'm not really going to worry about this one here because that's not going to mean anything, but that one, if you break below that fractal, we break below the alligator at the same time, which is what we're looking for. Okay, so those are the 2 lines in the sand. This line in the sand here is cup and handle. So this is an inverse cup and handle. And you can see the importance of the 30-minute, how we bounced off the 30-minute 200 EMA. Okay, so a break above 12987. That's 123, sorry, not 9. 12387. A break above that is going to give us a measured move target of roughly, well, definitely gap close. So I'd almost be inclined to look at taking profit around there, 12454. A break below 12361, then this low is going to be tested. Okay, now I'll just add one more line here just to make it really messy. That is our trend line, roughly. Okay, so this is our downward trend line here, which we've broken through. So it is also possible that we just come back to test the previous lows here, and you're probably going to find that this inside tail here is what you're looking for. It lines up with the 200 EMA as well. So we do pull back. You could expect something to the bottom here, which is basically in a former range, which would also make sense since we're waiting for news. And then we're looking for a break below the low of yesterday and below the high of yesterday to indicate the true direction. Okay, I think for now it's kind of looking like longs is the way to go. These two levels are the ones that I'd be watching today. So 12386 and 12361. Nice 25-point stop loss as well, which makes it very interesting. Okay, definitely gap close is a possibility, or alternatively a move to the downside to come and test these previous lows of yesterday. Okay, but don't expect any fireworks today until sort of after 8 o'clock once the Feds make their announcement. So it's going to be pretty range bound or up and down until tonight. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.